You know those shifts where it feels like you are running all day, but the to-do list somehow gets longer? Endless documentation, constant decision making, and barely a moment to breathe. What if you could get a few hours back each week without cutting corners? That's exactly what I want to talk about today. How AI can ease your load on shift while you are studying and even at home, and how to do it safely, ethically, and effectively. Hi, my name is Kevin, founder of AI Nurse. I work with nurses, doctors, and healthcare professionals to make AI work for you, to cut down on admin, reduce burnout, and give you more time for patient care and for yourself. Let's be clear. This isn't about replacing you. It's about supporting you so you can focus on what truly matters, delivering safe, compassionate, and high-quality care. Step 1. Pinpoint the pressure points. First things first, figure out where the pressure is coming from. Ask yourself, which tasks eat up my time and mental energy, but don't actually need my clinical expertise? For a lot of us, it is writing discharge summaries, digging through guidelines, drafting referral letters, or even trying to figure out dinner after a 12-hour shift. Here is a tip. Track your energy, not just your time. If something feels heavy, that's a clue it might be a good candidate for automation. Step 2. Choose your core tools. No coding needed. Think of AI like having a few brilliant interns, quick, reliable, and never tired. The trick is to start small, pick one tool, maybe ChatGPT or Gemini, and really learn it before you add anything else. Some of my favorites: Perplexity AI, great for precise evidence-based searching. Notebook LM turns your lecture notes into quizzes or study plans. Notion AI summarizes shift reports, organizes notes, and automates task lists. Otter.ai or Fireflies, perfect for transcribing meetings, lectures, or ward rounds. Step 3. Use AI where you work. AI can help you right now, not in some distant future. On the ward, it can draft a referral letter in seconds. Need to explain a diagnosis to a patient? It can rewrite it in plain language. Studying for CPD? It can make mnemonics, quizzes, questions, even role-playing scenarios. Doing research? It can summarize papers or compare guidelines side by side. The key here: be specific in your prompt and keep all patient data safe. Step 4. Automate the admin. Let's be honest, no one went into healthcare to format spreadsheets or chase down meeting notes. With AI, you can dictate a post-shift report and have it neatly structured in minutes. Record a meeting, then let AI pull out all the action themes for you. You can even build dashboards to track your CPD hours or patient feedback without lifting a finger. Step 5. Care for yourself too. Outside these scraps, AI can make your life easier as well. Need quick meal ideas? Snap a photo of your fridge and get recipes in seconds. Need to unwind? Ask AI to build you a post-shift playlist. Planning a break? It can give you a custom itinerary, accommodation, and activities. It can even help you keep track of your budget by sorting expenses from receipts. AI and ethics in healthcare. Now, I can't stress this enough. AI is powerful, but in healthcare, it comes with responsibilities. Never put patient identifiable information into public AI tools. Strip out names, dates, MRNs, addresses, anything that can link back to a person. If your workplace offers HIPAA compliant or privacy secure AI tools, great. Use those. And remember, AI is here to assist, but you are always the final decision maker. So finally, AI will never replace the human connection in healthcare, and it shouldn't. But it can give you back time and mental space to focus on your patient and yourself. Start small. Automate just one task this week. Protect your data. See how much lighter your load feels. If you would like my free guide to AI tools for healthcare professionals, head over to ainurse360.com. And if you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a colleague who could use a little breathing room. Thank you.